Under a luminous moon, an eerie mansion loomed ominously at the edge of town, its windows like hollow, ghostly eyes. Sarah had always been intrigued by the dark legends that surrounded it, tales of lost souls trapped within its walls. Compelled by whispers of hidden treasure, she stepped inside. The air was thick with dust and melancholy, and her flickering flashlight illuminated the peeling wallpaper and shattered furnishings. A faint scratching noise drifted from the basement, piquing her curiosity. As she descended the creaky steps, she discovered a forgotten diary, chronicling the strange vanishing of a family. Suddenly, the door slammed shut. A chill coursed through her as a voice whispered, "You shouldn't have come here." Fear enveloped her. She grasped that she was not alone.